Storytime friends! I'm Amanda, and today I'm going to be sharing a very silly song called The Walrus Washes His Winter Coat. So for this song we're going to need our hands, and we're going to be doing a few motions. So first you'll make a wavy ocean, and then we're going to add some water and soap to our laundry, and then he's going to wait, so he's going to point to his watch on his wrist. And then the laundry will shake like this. Alright, let's give it a try, and if you need the lyrics, they are in the description, and also if you put on captions. So it goes like this. Well, the walrus washes his winter coat down by the wavy ocean. He adds some water and he adds some soap, and he waits and he waits and he waits. And the laundry shakes, shakes, shakes. The laundry shakes and shakes and shakes. The laundry shakes, shakes, shakes until it's clean. Well, the laundry shakes, shakes, shakes. The laundry shakes and shakes and shakes. The laundry shakes, shakes, shakes until it's clean. And then for verse 2, the laundry is going to spin like this. Well, the walrus washes his winter coat down by the wavy ocean. He adds some water and he adds some soap, and he waits and he waits and he waits. And the laundry spins, spins, spins. The laundry spins and spins and spins. The laundry spins, spins, spins until it's clean. Well, the laundry spins, spins, spins. The laundry spins and spins and spins. The laundry spins, spins, spins until it's clean. And there is our song. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.